In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate previous values in a Power BI table and matrix. If you're new to Power BI or just looking to enhance your skills, this is an essential technique to understand for effective data analysis and reporting. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, ensure you have Power BI installed and ready to go. Open Power BI and start your session. Power BI is a powerful tool that allows you to visualize your data in dynamic ways, and understanding how to calculate previous values will allow you to see trends and comparisons easily within your reports. Next, navigate to the Modeling tab at the top of the Power BI interface. Here, you'll find an option labeled New Measure. Selecting this option is crucial as it allows us to create custom calculations that are beyond the default options provided. Measures are essentially calculations that use DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It's a formula language in Power BI that's super useful for data analysis. After selecting New Measure, a formula bar will appear just above the report canvas. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll type in the specific DAX formula we are using for calculating previous values. DAX functions require you to understand your data model well, as their results depend on how data is structured. The formula you'll be using can calculate previous row data or values from earlier periods, depending on how you need it configured in your report. Remember, if you're not yet familiar with DAX, take your time with it, and don't rush through this step. There are many resources available where you can practice and learn more about DAX language to develop more complex measures in the future. Power BI's flexible data models allow you to use DAX in tables, matrices, and visualizations to gain deeper insights into your data. Once you have entered the measure into the formula bar, press Enter. Power BI will process the formula, and if everything is correct, your new measure will appear in the Fields pane on the right side of the screen, ready to be dragged into your table or matrix visualization. You can then compare current values to previous ones, which is a powerful way to detect trends or anomalies over time. That's all there is to it. With practice, you'll be able to leverage this technique to enhance your data analysis and reporting skills in Power BI significantly. As you become more comfortable with these steps, try experimenting with different kinds of DAX functions and see how they interact with your data. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. See you next time.